recording? Okay.
Okay, yep.
This is your elevator panel.
Yep.
We got the lamp there.
Yeah.
The lamp there. We hooked up a 9-volt battery, which might not be strong enough, and that's why it lights up very slowly.
Yeah.
That one lights up very slowly. But as you can see, the 9 volts right here taped there. The positive wire goes on that one. Negative goes on that one, right around the pole, and it will work for both switches because they're both linked together here. So I'm not sure if you could put a 12 volt on there or not, but those are pretty big.
Yeah.
But 9 volt will get you lit up like that and like that. Okay?
Okay.
Took about 15 minutes to figure it out, but,
Yep.
but that's how you do it.
Yep.
On the
1985 Dover Classic Intermediate Elevator Bun Panel from Bessey Hall,
Okay.
University of Nebraska-Lincoln City Campus, downtown.
Yep, it's the same kind, right?
Same kind.
Right?
And already have the video got modernized
Mm-hmm.
back in 2025.
Okay. All right. Anything else? Let's get a closer look at it. If I can stand up here. Okay. Positive wire, negative wire. And then that's the battery there. Positive, negative. Alright?
Right?
Is that it?
Yep.
Alright. Go ahead and end the video and I'll
That was a wiring video.
Another one.
Another wiring video. On the 1985 Dover Classic Intermediate Elevator Bun Panel from Bessey Hall, University of Nebraska-Lincoln City Campus, downtown.
Yep, it's the same kind.
Same kind, one at,
At Bessey Hall and downtown UNL.
which is
Here in Lincoln.
in Lincoln, Nebraska, which is at
University of Lincoln.
University of Nebraska
University of Nebraska, yeah. Okay.
at Lincoln,
At Lincoln, okay, you're right.
on city,
On city campus,
aka down.
downtown.
So that being said, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.